Do you know the amazing benefits of papaya? Today, we're exploring the magic of this tropical fruit, a powerhouse of nutrition that fits perfectly into a healthy diet. Bursting with flavor, papaya is not just a tasty treat, it's a health-enhancing wonder. It's packed full of benefits that we're excited to share with you. So, if you're curious about this vibrant fruit and how it can impact your health, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we dive into the wonderful world of papaya. Let's start with some quick facts about this tropical fruit. Packed with a punch, the papaya is a powerhouse of nutrients. Boasting a rich source of vitamins A, C, and E, it's not just a fruit, it's a health booster. But what does this mean for you? Well, vitamin A is vital for maintaining good vision, while vitamin C strengthens your immune system. And vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant. The papaya's nutritional value doesn't stop at vitamins. This melon-like fruit is also rich in minerals like potassium and calcium, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones and aiding in nerve function. And then there are the antioxidants. These little warriors fight off harmful free radicals in your body, keeping you healthy and youthful. To top it all off, papaya is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a perfect addition to your diet if you're trying to maintain or lose weight. But that's not all. Papaya holds more secrets for your health. Now we delve into the health benefits that this tropical marvel offers. Papaya isn't just a tasty treat for your taste buds, but a treasure trove of health benefits. Let's uncover some of these. First up, improved digestion. Papaya is packed with a magical enzyme called papain. This enzyme aids in breaking down proteins and supports a healthy digestive system. Say goodbye to those bothersome digestive issues. Next, let's talk about heart health. Papaya is a good source of potassium and fiber, both known to promote a healthy heart. The fiber helps manage cholesterol levels, while potassium keeps your heart beating in perfect rhythm. It's like having a natural heart guard. Finally, let's touch on the immune system. A strong immune system is our body's first line of defense against illnesses. Here's where papaya steps in. It's rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens our immune system, keeping us fighting fit. As you can see, incorporating papaya into your diet can do wonders for your health. So why wait? Make this tropical delight a part of your daily diet and experience the health benefits yourself. In conclusion, the humble papaya is a powerhouse of nutrition. Remember, it's packed with antioxidants, aids digestion, and bolsters immunity. So why not give it a try? Don't miss out on more health tips and information. Subscribe to The Altruist for more informative videos like this one. Stay healthy, stay informed.